how-to vids. How to care for your cheese board. The first step is you want to get a cloth or an oil wax applicator, and you want to keep the applicator packaging for storage. The second step you want to do is make sure you're adding just 2 to 3 drops of mineral oil to the applicator so it doesn't drip off like how mine just did. The third step that you want to do is begin to dab the oil into the board, then rub gently going with the grain of the wood. This is going to help to absorb that food grade mineral oil that you're applying to your board. Yes, food grade. The next step is don't forget to rub the edges with mineral oil since your board might get bumped a bit. And then, of course, you want to let the oil sit on your board for no more than 8 to 24 hours for best results. And here you got it. I showed my board 24 hours later, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a darker shade. It still has a slight bit of oiliness, but it's not as bad. But you want to do this once a month for maintenance and longevity for your bamboo cheese boards. So there you have it, guys. Make sure you're subscribing so that way you can get more videos like this to learn how to keep your products and keep them intact.